Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again, and today's ganap guys, I just made another worksheet in English, and the title is all about singular nouns and plural nouns. So this worksheet is intended for grade 4, and I made this with my self-made template or format. So if you wish to have a soft copy of this, just comment on this video so that I'll know and I could provide you a soft copy of it. So without so much ado, let's have the sharing of my worksheet.
Alright guys, so this is my self-made worksheet in English. The title or our lesson is all about singular nouns and plural nouns. This is a self-made worksheet and a self-made format or template. So the same doings guys, I just placed there a logo and then the heading, Department of Education, region, division of, district of, the name of your school, and you can also place there the name, the address of your school. Well, it depends upon on you if what you are going to place there in your heading. And then the title, worksheet in English, or you can also place there the lesson you had discussed with the learners. But what's mine there is worksheet in English. So makikita naman sa ibaba or sa ibaba ng worksheet yung topic. Then I put there the name, grade and section, and the score. And instruction is very essential for the learners of what they are going to do with the worksheet. So my first instruction there is to identify whether the noun is a singular noun or a plural noun. So the worksheet of mine is very simple and easy and suited to the learners. So meron tayo diyang bag, glasses, notebooks, classroom, window, rugs, grasses, anniversary, school, bird. Then for my second instruction, complete the table. Write the correct singular noun or plural noun of the given nouns below. So, may table dyan at merong given nouns sa singular noun at sa plural noun. So, ilalagay nila kung sa singular yung given noun, so sa plural noun sila sasagot. Kung sa plural noun naman yung given noun, then they are going to answer the singular noun. So, I place their church, tables, pen, birthday, hats, hens, hospital, elf, fairies, and branch. And then end of worksheet. So you can also put there prepared by and noted or approved by. But for me, I just place there end of worksheet. So again, I'll show to you the worksheet that I've made, which is all about singular nouns and plural nouns. Thank you so much guys for watching my video about worksheets, and I appreciate your viewing and efforts in watching my tutorials and vlogs. So I will be working on another worksheet, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel if you are new here, and click the notification bell so that you are updated of the videos that I'm posting. So thank you again, and see you on my next video. God bless. Take care, everyone.